Rohit Kumar Thapa, son of Pawan Thapa, resident of Sukhanjan, Bokajan, had brought laurel to Karbi Anglong, Assam and India's, as he was one among the only 2 Indians who were inducted as an editorial board member of sports biomechanics from underrepresented geographical locations worldwide. Rohit Kumar Thapa completed his schooling from Kendra Vidyalaya Bokajan and did his higher studies at Kendra Vidyalaya Sevak and later completed his graduation. He did his PhD from Laxmibai National Institute of Physical Education, Gwalior in the year 2021. He was also awarded with Dr. M. Robson Young Researcher Award by 5th PEFI National Award in 12 March 2022. As many as 75 PhD research scholars were appointed for editorial board members of Sports Biomechanics, official journal of International Society of Biomechanics in Sports. Out of 75 research scholars, 2 Indians were appointed, and they are Rohit Kumar Thapa and Kaushik Mukherjee. The parents of Rohit Kumar Thapa, along with the citizens of Bokajan, applauded him and congratulated him for his achievement and bringing laurel to the district, state and country as a whole. Anantirang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live.